Hi, and welcome to this new episode. In this episode, we're going to be looking at what repertoire you can choose to fast track your growth as a singer. Here we go. Hi, so happy to be here again. In this episode, we're going to be talking about repertoire and more specifically, which repertoire you can use to fast track your growth as a singer, but also without losing the fun in singing, because it's important that singing stays fun, right? So the mistakes that lots of beginner singers do is believing that their voice can only handle one genre. So a lot of singers that I just started working with, they tell me, I love to sing that song, but it's not suitable for my voice because I'm more of a jazz singer, or my voice is better in pop music. And it could be that way, but knowing that you can adjust your vocal colors and knowing that you could explore different genres could actually be very interesting. Another mistake that most beginner singers do is taking a song and then trying to sing that song and then realizing that, that song is too high for me, or that song is too low for me. But they don't really pay attention to what key the song is in, and they don't really know that you can adjust that key. They just think it's too high, too low. Okay, I'm looking for another song. But knowing that you can adjust that key can actually help you to sing that song in an easier way. So once you don't do or have those mistakes anymore, then we're starting to slowly grow into the world of the trained singer. Now, the trained singer knows exactly which song to use to train the voice. So once you are in that trained singer world, you know which songs will push your boundaries and get you outside of your comfort zone. You also know in that world of the trained singer which songs are suitable for a concert or a performance and which songs are not suitable for that yet, and stay in your practice sessions, because most of the times those are the songs that will challenge you. So the trained singer also has a list of songs that are a challenge and a list of songs that are safe, comfort, nice, fun. And having that list of songs with challenges is a great way to motivate yourself and keep going, keep growing as a singer. So let's look at how you can have this list of repertoire that will fast track your growth as a singer and that will push your boundaries, get you outside of your comfort zone. So step one is listening to songs. Right? And listening to songs that you like, because there is no point in singing songs that we don't like. That takes the fun out of singing, and we don't want that. Step two is making a list of which songs you would like to sing. So from all the songs that you love to listen to, what are songs that you would love to be able to sing? Also, write down why. So the title of the song and the reason why you want to learn to sing that. For example, you could say, I want to learn to sing driver's license, and the reason why is because, there's high notes in there and I want to learn how to sing the high notes. Or I want to learn to sing If I Were a Boy from Beyonce, and the reason why is to learn the riffs, for example. So always have the reason why. Could also be that I want to sing Let It Be from the Beatles because I love the lyrics and it just touches my soul. Whatever the reason is, write down the reason why. Then step three is looking at your singing goals. So hopefully you have them. Look at your singing goals and ask yourself this question. Which logic next step, which action step will bring me closer to my singing goal? So for example, if your singing goal is to perform confidently on stage, then you might sing a song that focuses on telling a story. If your goal is to sing high notes powerfully, then you might choose a song that activates your mixed voice. See how those two are related? So look at what you want to achieve with your singing, what your goals are, and look what song or what skill that I need to develop will help get me there. So if you look at the column of your why you want to sing or learn a certain song, which of the whys is closest to your goal, or which of the whys will get you to your goal? That is step 3. And that kind of brings us to step 4, right? Is to, once we've looked at our goals, once we've looked at our whys, once we've connected those, is choose a song that is in alignment with that. So if one of your goals is to practice your diaphragmatic breathing, choose a song which helps you to train that. So really also look at the vocal technique behind it. Which vocal technique do you need in order to achieve your goal, and what song can help you get you there? The biggest advice that I can give you here is focus on one thing. So put your intention on one thing, not everything together. So don't focus on the vocal technique and the emotion behind it and telling your story and the performance aspect and the rhythm and the melody or the improvisation. Don't focus on all of it. Try and focus on one thing. Choose one song, one intention, and then the next song, next intention. And slowly you can build up that list of repertoire that will truly push those boundaries of yours and truly get you outside of your comfort zone in order for you to grow as a singer. Again, if you don't do that, then we're staying in our comfort zone. We're staying where we are. And if you have always, if you will always sing what you have always sung, then we're not really moving forward, are we? So before working on the repertoire, I would also always recommend that you warm up your voice. Just like an athlete, we have to warm up our vocal muscles before we can go and train them. So if you need any help with that, I have my daily vocal warm-up routine that I recorded just for you. You can download it for free. You get an MP3 and a PDF walking you through the whole thing. I think it's about 6 minutes, and after 6 minutes, you are ready to go and train your voice to sing your heart out. So I'll put the link in the description below so that you can get your hands on that. And again, thank you for being here today. And I can't wait to see you again next week. Bye.